Does your mobile data disappear so fast that right after buying a package, you just whisper goodbye to it? Or you keep thinking, I barely even use the internet. Where are my MBs going? Well, today, the trick I'm about to show you can literally make your data last almost twice as long. And the craziest part? Most people have no idea this even exists. Look, you are not the problem. Your phone is not innocent either. The real criminals are those apps running in the background, secretly partying on your mobile data. You're sleeping peacefully and they're updating, syncing, refreshing, backing up photos, full buffet mode. First thing you need to do, open your phone settings and go to data usage or mobile data. Here, you'll finally see the truth. Which app is using how much data? And trust me, you will be shocked. The app you open once a month will probably be sitting at the top like a champion eater. Now here comes the hidden trick. Tap on the apps that are not important for daily use and turn background data off. That's it. Instant upgrade. From now on, those apps will only use internet when you open them. No sneaky activity, no midnight downloads, no secret meetings. Wait, we're not done yet. Level 2. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store settings and set updates to Wi-Fi only. Otherwise, apps update on mobile data like they're spending monopoly money, and you're left wondering where the package vanished. Now, Level 3. Social media. Open their settings and disable auto download for photos, videos, and documents, because every meme, every good morning video, every random clip in your groups keeps downloading silently. You may not watch them, but your data definitely does. Here's a pro move most users ignore. Use lite versions of apps whenever possible. They do almost the same job, but consume far less data and storage. Clean, simple, efficient. If you set all this up properly just once, I promise you, you'll notice a massive difference. Where your package used to die in 7 days, now you'll start seeing bonus days, real survival. So stop blaming the network and start managing your phone smartly. Control the device, otherwise the device will keep controlling your data. If you found this helpful and want more simple but powerful hidden tricks that make everyday tech easier, make sure to follow, because here we keep things easy, but effective.